This video is an overview of Python's data table package, and we will see how we can increase our data processing speed multiple times, using the Python data table package. So for that, I will show you actually in this video that we will the amount, or the timing of processing the data will increase significantly. Okay, so for that I have opened my Colab notebook. Okay, and I have this data file and my notebook in my drive. Okay, so to read the data from Google Drive, you will have to mount your basically Google Drive. So for that, you need to import the drive function from google.colab. So you need to read this line. I will provide all these lines in the description box. Do check out that. Then you will have to mount the drive. So how you will mount that, basically it will remain the same. You need to write this content drive.mount, and you need to write content slash drive. Okay, this is basically a fix. Then after that, this is where you need to provide your file path. So this part will remain same as I have displayed earlier. And then you will have to provide my drive slash data. So let me show you. I have my data I have created a function, a folder data into my Google Drive, and in here I have my data file. Okay, so you can see the path that I have this my drive, then I have my data. Okay, so once I run all these commands, then you can see that I'll set my file path. Okay, and you should remember that while mounting your drive, if you are mounting it for the first time, it will ask you for the passcode. So you need to go to your drive, and on this page it will basically show a passcode. You need to put the passcode here when it will prompt you for that, and then your Colab will be connected to your drive, and this will be done for the first time only. Okay, so this is basically more towards a Google Colab tutorial rather than this, but I do want to let you know that if you encounter this issue. Okay, so since I have set up my file path now, we need to install the data table package. So I have it installed. Let us see. So it is basically already satisfied. It says that requirement already satisfied, meaning the package I already have in my system. Then I will simply go and import OS. Why I will import OS? Because I do want to do certain analysis from this function. I will show you. So here basically I'm printing my file size. So if I run this, you will know that now it shows that my file size is 191 MB. So basically for it is not that much a large file, but you will see the difference basically, and it's significantly when you will deal with large files, then the difference will become higher and higher. Okay, so let me import pandas. I will import time, and I will import data table. Let me run this cell. So basically, first of all, I will read this file through pandas. Okay, and I'm using this command time here, this line of code. This will basically print how much time this cell takes to run. Okay, so here I am running it through pandas read CSP, and you see that it has taken nearly 4.8 seconds to read this file, which is of 191 MB. Now we will do the similar exercise with data table package. So basically I am using dt.fread. Fread is a command which reads the file. Okay, and you should remember one thing more, that after reading you also need to convert it to a pandas, because it is not basically a pandas file. So for converting into a pandas data frame, you need to write this particular line of code, that is to underscore pandas. So do remember this. So basically we are running two things here. So we will have to calculate time for both of these. So now let me run this cell, and you see that in 2.07 seconds basically it has read it, and in this 2.07 it had read this file, and it has converted it to pandas also. So that is a significant thing. And if you want to understand the difference, then obviously here I have 4.81. So I'll show you how much difference or how much gain do we get. So 4.81 divided by 2.07, and you will see that our performance or data processing speed has been increased by more than twice. Okay, so that is a significant difference. As I said in the starting of the video, that it will speed up our data processing using the data table package by multifold. So now if you see dir dt, so dt, you remember that I have imported data table as dt. So this basically shows everything about the data table package. So whatever we have in the data table package, You can list down all the functions like this and you can take a look. In case if you want me to make video on a certain different topic like data table package or on data table package, do let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.